All right, everyone, I just received this beauty right here. So this is the brand new color Sunlit Blonde, and I have Finn in this color. So we're gonna do the out of the box right now. I took her out of the box. I briefly tried her on. That's all I've done. I've not taken the tag off. I've not shaken her out. I've done nothing else. But I did try her on so I could see what she looked like. This is her out of the box. So first of all, if you are new to wigs, then you're going to get something like this and you're going to be very, very nervous. You're probably going to be unsure because she's hanging in your face. And she doesn't look like my current Finn. She's got some wingers. And so you're going to be nervous. You're going to say, well, how in the world am I going to make this work? Or you might even just think there's nothing that you can do and this is how this Finn's going to look and you don't like it. So I want to encourage you to not be super upset whenever you get a wig out of the box. Just expect that if it looks awesome out of the box, that is an anomaly and it's a gift because it doesn't happen very often. At least it doesn't happen very often to me. I normally have to do a few things. Now this actually doesn't look too bad and I've seen a lot of Finns, so I kind of know, and I am very certain that once I start combing through it, shaking it out, all of that, that this whole issue in the front is going to be just fine. So let's just walk through what I'm going to do to her so that she's going to look a little bit better than she does now. Where is this tag attached? There we go. So I want to take the tag off, and to save us time, I am just going to cut it off. That way, I don't have to mess with the knot. Okay, first thing, let's shake it out. So you take your wig, you hang it upside down, hang on to the back, or stick your fingers through the wefting, which I like to kind of just stick my fingers through the wefting. That way I can hang on to it and I can shake it out. So we're going to give it some very vigorous shakes. You can either even grab it by the tag or by the nape and kind of shake it upside down, flick it. What I'm doing is I'm separating the fibers, waking them up, lifting them off the cap, all of that. Something else you can do is you can take a wide tooth comb, and now it's still upside down. I'm sort of combing through it upside down a little bit, just waking these underside fibers up. Finn has a curl pattern that I believe needs gentle combing. Sometimes curly wigs, I don't comb them. Sometimes I just finger style them. Some curly wigs I think need the combing. Finn is one that needs the combing. These kind of curls are just a little bit too separated to look natural. And I think Finn, my personal opinion, is Finn looks better when these curls are a little bit relaxed and blended with each other. So I'm going to gently comb through on the, now I've got her right side up. This is the back. And just gently take my wide tooth comb and comb through her just to start separating these curls. Now you, on the other hand, might not want to do that. You might want to try to keep those curls a little more separated and intact. That is all personal preference. Just like with the super curly wigs that I never comb, like Girl Mono, you may want those relaxed a little more than I do, and combing will help to do that. The only caution I have is in a super, super tight curly wig, you want to be careful. Now I'm sort of brushing these fibers back away from the cap because you saw how that hair was hanging in my face. So I'm just trying to redirect those fibers toward the back a little bit right now. You want to be careful as you do this that you're not harming that lace. So I was saying some super curly wigs could get super frizzy if you comb them, so you want to be really careful with that. All right, now let's see what we've got. Don't worry, this is going to settle. This made her a little bit bigger, but that's okay. We're not anywhere near done with her. So now she has got a lot of hair hanging in the face. So that's gonna probably take a little bit of working with it. Sometimes water will help that. But for now, I'm just trying to get a sense of her. Yeah, this is Finn. Okay, so now what's next? Sometimes I take water and I spray water on a curly wig and I'll scrunch it up and I'll hang it upside down because I'll want to see what kind of potential those curls have. I don't really feel like I need to do that with this Finn at this time. But what I think I do need to do is spray some on this front here so that I can start seeing if I can get these front fibers a little bit redirected, and then maybe do some scrunching to see what kind of curl I can get in these front fibers. Now with Finn, you don't have a monofilament, but you do have a lace front that's really deep, which means you can part Finn anywhere. And if I'm unable to get Finn where I want her with the front, I can get her wet and then I can clip this up and I can just let it sit for a little while like that and see if the fibers will redirect. I can also hit it with a little bit of low heat from a hairdryer and to see if that will give some lift to these without having to go to the extreme of steaming. But all those things you'll start to learn as you play with your wigs. So thanks for watching this part. I hope I helped you a little bit.